Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan and start a round trip on the Detecht application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this icon down below, which is the third one in the middle, and then click on the round trip button in the right side at the bottom of the screen. Then you should set your position. After that, you should select your distance on this scale. After that, select the direction on this from these options, and then click on the generate button down below, and then you will be able to create your round trip if you purchase the premium. If you tap on the more options button in the left side, you can also avoid unpaved roads, avoid tolls, and avoid ferries if you turn on these buttons. So that's how you can plan a round trip. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.